Welcome back, everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I have a very special virtual test drive for you. It's a 1941 Lincoln Continental Coupe. The 40s just screamed class in a lot of their cars, especially the Lincoln. The maroon with the tan interior, you see the gold dash inside. Oh, absolutely stunning. And as I'm doing the walk around, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on the notifications. Then when we're done with this, go on over to volocars.com where you can see all the pictures, the additional write-up, the pricing, and give sales a call. And if you haven't already, check out Jay's video. He has it on the turntable. And the reason I don't go so far in depth with it is because he does all that there. Like I said before, from front to back, top to bottom, engine to trunk. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the push button to open the door. This video is for the potential buyer that's sitting there wanting to know a little bit more and to help get you on this side of the fence. Door clicks shut, the seat feels brand new, looks brand new. I hear the clock ticking. This car is just gorgeous. You know it's fancy, it has a pillow in the back seat. Everything about this, I'm having a hard time finding anything wrong. Let's start it up. You have to turn the key all the way over, pull out, looks like a cigarette lighter. And then, sorry, operator error there. I'll get better at it. It's not every day I get to jump into a car from the 40s. I love the big steering wheel, it looks beautiful. I'm not seeing any chips or cracks or anything in it. Has the horn ring that's not damaged at all. This thing is just beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and take this down the road. That's the first time that myself or anyone from the shop actually gets to take this out, not just in between showrooms or anything. So we get to see what quirks it has, what we need to do. So I'm excited to take this for a ride. Super smooth. I noticed the speedometer's bouncing a little bit. We need to take a look at that. Apart from that, I'm not seeing anything much for us that we have to do. This baby cruises nicely. I love you still hear the purr of the V12 under the hood. These cars from the 40s and 50s, they get the heads turning. Brakes feel great. Not too hard, not too soft. Wider turn. I'm not trying to rub the tires or anything. Drops right into third. It sounds and feels like a real solid car. I would love to be able to drive this around all day. All right, let's get it up to speed a little. baby cruises. I have no problems taking this out on the highway, interstate. I am in love driving this car. With this big steering wheel, it's easy to turn if you need your 3 points like that. Sorry, just pulled out overdrive there. Cruise 50 in this baby all day long, 55 plus. I really enjoyed this. I hope you did too. Like I said, go ahead, click subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. Turn on notifications and then head on over to volocars.com so you can get all the details, pricing, and check out Jay's video. As always, appreciate you.